Hi everyone, it's Jack from Jack's English. Today you're going to need to warm up your lips, warm up your tongue, because we are doing pronunciation and tongue twisters. So today we are focusing on the F and P pronunciation. There's going to be 3 parts to this lesson. Firstly, I will teach you the pronunciation. Secondly, we'll do some minimal pairs. And then thirdly, we're going to do some tongue twisters together. So let's start with pronunciation. Both of these sounds require us to blow air. But there's a very important difference between P and F, which a lot of students get wrong. Let's start with P. With P, your bottom lip and top lip must touch. So as you blow out air, you must trap the air and then release. P, p. Now, as you can hear, I'm not using my voice. This is because it's a voiceless sound. We don't use our voice at all, so it's p, p. Now, F, on the other hand, requires us to use the bottom lip, but the top teeth. Put your top teeth on the bottom lip like this and blow. Now let's look at some minimal pairs to show the difference more clearly. Now this is the first time I'm introducing minimal pairs to you, so in case you don't know, a minimal pair is when you get 2 words that have one slight difference in sound. Today we're looking at P and F. So an example would be pair, fair. We just changed the P and F, pair, fair. So let's start. I'm going to read first and you copy. Pound, found. Pace, face. Port, fought. Pale, fail. Pill, fill. So hopefully you could hear the difference between them and you were able to copy me as closely as possible. Now that's the easy part. Now we're going to do some tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are a lot of fun. They are sentences that include a lot of the same sounds to make it very confusing and difficult for us to read. So I've got 4 sentences for you today which I want you to practice in order for you to improve your P and F pronunciation. Now, with each sentence, I'm going to read at 3 different levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Listen to me read each level and then pause the video and copy. Then listen to the next level, pause and try to copy. How far can you get? Can you copy my advanced pronunciation? Let's try now. 5 pretty pheasants fly past a fast plane. 5 pretty pheasants fly past a fast plane. 5 pretty pheasants fly past a fast plane. Okay, sentence number 2. Fewer people fight flu partly out of fear. Fewer people fight flu partly out of fear. Fewer people fight flu partly out of fear. Sentence 3. The plea to free a painful fish was false. The plea to free a painful fish was false. The plea to free a painful fish was false. Now let's do our 4th and final sentence. People prefer paying free folks to follow puppies. People prefer paying free folks to follow puppies. People prefer paying free folks to follow puppies. That was a very hard one. If you could follow the advanced, then well done. It was so difficult even for me. So for you at home, you can take this video and use it in your pronunciation practice on a daily basis. I think you'll really quickly improve your P and F sound. So I hope you enjoyed this slightly different style of class. I'll have plenty more of this in the future. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it because it helps me grow and give you more content. Have a wonderful week and see you very soon. Bye bye.